We are going to look at some special numbers that have particular names. These are called square numbers and cube numbers. Let's start by looking at square numbers. Here are some patterns using square tiles arranged in a square. The first picture has 1 tile. The second picture has 4 tiles. The third picture has 9 tiles. We get these numbers as follows. The first picture has 1 row and 1 column. We can see that 1 times 1 is equal to 1. The second picture has 2 rows and 2 columns. We can see that 2 times 2 is equal to 4. The third picture has 3 rows and 3 columns. We can see that 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Any positive integer multiplied by itself is called a square number. So the next shape in our pattern has 4 rows and 4 columns, and 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So 16 is the next square number. As this continues, we obtain all of the square numbers up to 10 times 10 is equal to 100. Here is a list of all of these square numbers. Try to learn as many as you can. They come up in all sorts of places. We can write square numbers in a different way using indices or powers. 1 times 1 is written 1 squared or 1 to the power 2. A 2 is used because there are 2 ones multiplied together. We can repeat this all the way down to 10 squared.